Now we are revising asexual reproduction. Already I have told you that asexual reproduction, it is mode of reproduction in which there is development or production of new individuals from single parent only. Okay, and the new individual which is formed, it gets the characters from a single parent only. Now, asexual mode of reproduction, okay, there are various methods of asexual reproduction. So, asexual reproduction in individual or the organisms, it takes place by various methods. Like first is fission, budding, fragmentation, okay, then is regeneration, okay, regeneration is there, spore formation, then next is your vegetative propagation, and propagation by tissue culture. So students, these are the various methods, okay, of asexual reproduction in organisms. So we are going to revise all these methods, okay, of asexual reproduction. All these methods, they comes under the asexual reproduction, asexual mode of reproduction. Okay, so reproduction is a biological process in which the individuals of the same kind are produced. Okay, why reproduction is important? It is important for the continuation of life. Okay, it is important for the maintenance of composition. Okay, it is important for the replacement of old species. Okay, it is important for the variations. Okay, so these are the asexual, okay, methods of reproduction. These are the ways, these are the methods by which asexual reproduction takes place. Okay, so one by one we are going to discuss this. So first we are going to discuss fission. Okay, students, the meaning of fission is to break. Okay, फिशन का मतलब होता है टूटना. So fission, okay, in the process of fission, the nucleus, okay, the splitting of the nucleus, the division of the nucleus, it takes place along with the, okay, the division of the cytoplasm. Fission, okay, sometime what happens, the individual or the organism, it splits or it divides into two new individuals, or it gives rise to two new individuals. Okay, so it is known as binary fission, and some of the organisms, they form many new individuals from the single parent. In that case, okay, it is known as multiple fission, means many new individuals are produced from a single parent body. Okay, that's why it is known as multiple fission. So fission, again, it is divided into two types. One is binary and other is multiple. Binary fission and multiple fission, these are the two types of fission. Now students, here only binary fission. Now see what happens in binary fission. There is division of nucleus along with the division of the cytoplasm. The constriction of the membrane it takes place. Okay. Then what happens? Ultimately, the single parent it give rise to two daughter individuals. Okay. So binary fission it can be seen in amoeba. Okay. Amoeba is unicellular organisms. So amoeba basically there is division of nucleus. Okay. Nuclear division takes place followed by the division of cell membrane. Okay. So binary fission, two new individuals are formed. Okay. Example is amoeba. Now see what happens in this. This is amoeba. This is the nucleus. This is amoeba. What will happen? There will be division of nucleus. Okay. Then there will be constriction, and this will give rise to two daughter individuals. Okay. Now talking about this multiple fission. Multiple fission. In multiple fission, the number of individuals formed are more than 2. Okay, in multiple fission the number of individuals formed are more than 2. बाइनरी फिशन में तो आपके दो न्यू इंडिविजुअल्स बने, दो डॉटर इंडिविजुअल्स बने, बट मल्टीपल फिशन में क्या होता है, बहुत सारे न्यू इंडिविजुअल्स बनते हैं. ओके, सो मेनी न्यू इंडिविजुअल्स आर फॉर्म्ड. Example is Plasmodium. This is malarial parasite. So what happens? This is cell. Okay. This is nucleus. And this one is cyst, a hard covering. So what happens? This cell, the nucleus divides into many nuclei, and it gives rise to many cells. And these cells, when they get released into the environment, they develop into new individual. Okay, they grows into new individual. So example you can take of this malarial parasite, that is Plasmodium. Okay, Plasmodium, that is malarial parasite which causes malaria. Okay, is the example of multiple fission. So what you have to remember, in binary fission two new individuals are formed, in multiple fission many new individuals are formed. Okay, in binary fission example is amoeba, here example is Plasmodium, malarial parasite. Okay, you can also take example of that fungus. Okay. Okay. Next method of asexual reproduction is fragmentation. So the second method which we are going to discuss of asexual reproduction is fragmentation. Now fragmentation beta, फ्रेगमेंट का मतलब होता है इसमें से आप फ्रेगमेंट निकाल लो. फ्रेगमेंट मीन्स टुकड़ा, पीस. ओके, so fragmentation is a process of asexual reproduction, or is a method of asexual reproduction in which the fragment from the single parent body, if there is fragmentation, अगर एक single parent body fragments में टूट गई, टुकड़ों में टूट गई, so each fragment it will be able to give rise to new individual, it will be able to develop into the new individual. Okay, like in case of Spirogyra. Spirogyra is in alga, that is algae. Algae are plant-like organisms. You already know. We have gone through this in chapter 2. Okay. Fragments. So Spirogyra. So beta, suppose one of the fragment it gets detached. Okay, if the suppose if the parent body it get fragmented into pieces. So these are the fragments. Okay, now each fragment it will be able to develop into new individual. So this type of reproduction, okay, this type of process is known as fragmentation, in which the fragment, these are the fragments. Okay, these fragments, from where these fragments came, they came from the parent body. Okay, and each fragment you can see they are able to develop into new individual or new organism. Okay, so this process or this method of asexual reproduction is known as fragmentation. Okay, so basically it occurs in Spirogyra, and Spirogyra I have told you that it is algae. Algae are plant-like organisms. Okay. Next, beta, the third step or the third method of asexual reproduction, which we are going to discuss, is budding. Third method is budding. Now, simply see what is budding. In this method, the bud which arises or which develops, okay, in the body of parent, okay, that bud when it grows, it gets detached from the parent body, and that particular bud it develops into new individual. So budding it can be seen in case of hydra. Budding it can be seen in yeast. Yeast is unicellular fungus. Okay, unicellular fungus means that yeast it is made up of only one cell. So budding is a process of or is a method of asexual reproduction in which the bud developed on the parent body is able to grow into new individual. Okay, so I will explain you with the help of hydra. Okay, this is the hydra. So this is the developing bud. You can see here, beta, these are tentacles, hair-like structures, tentacles. This is the body, this is developing bird. It is developing bird, means the bird is developing from the parent body, okay? And this is the body of the hydra. So student, what happen in next case, this bird is developing, okay? When the bird, now what happens, this bird gets completely developed, and what will happen, it will get detached. Detached means parent body से क्या हो जाएगी, अलग हो जाएगी. Okay, the bird it gets detached from the parent body, okay, and it will be able to grow or develop into new individual. So this is the new hydra, new individual. ओके, तो बर्डिंग में क्या था बेटा, पेरेंट बॉडी पे एक बर्ड क्या होगा, डेवलप होगी. ओके, डेवलप होने के बाद क्या होगा, वो बर्ड जो है आपकी जब व्हेन इट विल बी कंप्लीटली डेवलप्ड, इट विल गेट डिटेच्ड, वो पेरेंट बॉडी से क्या हो जाएगा, अलग हो जाएगा, ओके, और अलग होने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा, वो बर्ड अपने आप में एक नया क्या बना देगा, नया इंडिविजुअल बना देगा। ओके, so this method is known as budding. Okay, so budding example is it takes place in hydra. Okay, and it also takes place in yeast. And what is yeast? Yeast is unicellular fungus. Okay, yeast is unicellular fungus. Okay, so this is the third method of asexual reproduction in organisms. Okay, now student, when we talk about this fourth method, that is regeneration. Okay, the fourth method of asexual reproduction which we are going to discuss is regeneration. Okay, so the meaning of regeneration is to regenerate the body parts. Okay, if some of the body part it get lost or it gets okay separated from the main body, so the individual is able to cover it, the individual is able to grow it, regenerate it. So this process is known as regeneration. ओके, बॉडी का कोई पार्ट अलग हो गया तो ऑर्गेनिजम्स में क्या एक ऐसी कैपेबिलिटी होती है कि वो जो पार्ट है वो दोबारा से उस ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी में ग्रो कर जाएगा, तो इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं रीजनरेशन. ओके, सो प्लेनेरिया, द फोर्थ मेथड इज रीजनरेशन. So in regeneration, the lost body part it gets developed again. If some of the part of the body is lost, अगर बॉडी का कोई भी पार्ट लॉस्ट हो गया किसी वजह से, हो गया कट गया या कुछ हो गया, तो क्या होगा, इंडिविजुअल उस बॉडी पार्ट को, उस लॉस्ट बॉडी पार्ट्स को दोबारा ग्रो कर लेगा. ओके, सो इन प्लेनेरिया, प्लेनेरिया इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ फ्लैटवर्म. So it shows the process of regeneration. Like this is planaria. Okay. This is the body of planaria. So suppose, students, it gets cut into 3 pieces. ओके बेटा, सपोज ये क्या आपका, ये आपका टूट गया है, कट गया है 3 पार्ट्स में. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस पार्ट, ओके, जो इतना कट गया था आपका, इट विल स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग द लॉस्ट पार्ट. तो ये क्या बन गया आपका, न्यू प्लेनेरिया, न्यू इंडिविजुअल. ओके, ऐसे ही क्या होगा, दूसरा पार्ट जो होगा ये भी नए प्लेनेरिया में क्या हो जाएगा, डेवलप. ऐसा ही ये वाला भी क्या कर जाएगा, डेवलप. ओके, तो ये क्या हुआ, रीजनरेशन हुई. ओके, इतना पार्ट जब इसने लॉस्ट कर लिया बॉडी से, ये पार्ट भी लॉस्ट कर लिया, ये भी कर लिया, तो इन पार्ट्स ने क्या किया, जो भी अपने में से पोर्शन लॉस्ट हुआ था उसको क्या किया, रीजनरेट किया. Okay, so this process or this method of asexual reproduction is known as regeneration. Okay, so regeneration example is planaria, and planaria is a type of flat